Model and create opportunities for critical thinking, problem solving, and performance skill development in my classroom is through the use of number talks. We start each math lesson every day with about a 5-minute number talk. And this is the flip chart that we use with our smartboard. So we discuss reminding ourselves what's a number talk. It's a good way for us to learn how other people solve problems. Not everyone solves problems in the same way. A number talk is a time for us to talk on purpose about all the ways that we can solve a problem. So we are sharing our thinking, we are using different methods to do so, and we are allowing space for the children to talk about what they are trying to figure out. We often use our accountable talk to answer questions. I ask them to explain their thinking, and I ask another student to explain their thinking in a different way, or I often ask them how did they get to that answer. We have rules of number talks. We have sitting on your bottom, being respectful of other people's ideas, and we don't raise our hand because instead we use secret signals. So our secret signals are we use a fist for I'm thinking, we have a thumbs up for an answer and a strategy, we have kind of a hang loose for I agree, and we point for I have more than one strategy. My students like to say, oh yeah, when they do that, I have more than one strategy because we're pretty proud of that. So when we do a number talk, we start with a problem like this, and we will go through the different ways we knew we could solve it. Some students will say, oh, I used a number line. Or someone else might say, I counted 5 in my head and counted up to 2. Or another student might say that they used our whiteboards to draw a picture. And we will try and do one problem, and then sometimes we'll try and do another. And they can try and solve this problem and talk about how they use the other problem that we just did to help them solve this one, or discuss the various ways that they could have solved it. And it's kind of just a safe and great experience for them to put their mathematical thinking that we are learning about into practice.